Thanks so much for joining us this afternoon. Now, a quieter weekend, but still some active weather. We are in summer after all. Across regions of Quebec, some non-severe thunderstorm risk. That's going to stretch into New Brunswick as well. Just over the border of Maine into New Brunswick, we might see the chance of potentially some severe cells passing on through. Now, we'll talk about that in just a second, but just talking and taking a look at those thunderstorm risks for Quebec, non-severe in nature, firing off as we're heading towards the afternoon. And the culprit behind that is going to be this trough associated with the low pressure system that brought heavy rain across the Bay of Fundy. I'm going to show you some of those numbers, but it's going to be as we're heading towards the afternoon into the later half of the evening. That's when we can see some of those thunderstorms coming to fruition. Again, taking a look into areas like Fredericton and just south of Fredericton, that's where we have the potential of possibly seeing some severe storms pushing on through. Up towards Newfoundland, it's going to be on and off showers. And as we head into the day tomorrow, it's going to be much nicer and much quieter. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. We saw heavy rain, some localized flooding as well. Digby, you got over 100 millimeters of rain in just one day. That is baffling. Now, as we take a look into our conditions for tomorrow, high pressure is going to set in widespread across eastern Canada. 28 degrees in Toronto, 31 in Windsor. It is going to be hot. It's going to be muggy. And even up towards regions of New Brunswick, we can be looking upwards of 29 degrees for Moncton. Now, let's head over to the west because we are going to be looking at the potential for some non-severe thunderstorms for the day today. Passing through Manitoba, just parts of Saskatchewan, you're looking at some non-severe thunderstorms. The only area we can see the potential of some of them becoming severe is going to be up towards the northern end of Ontario, associated with the same cold front that brought those scattered thunderstorms through yesterday for Manitoba. That's going to track right along into regions of northwestern Ontario for the day today. Evening, if that's when we'll start to see some of them pushing and really coming together and firing off. Now, in terms of these strong winds as well as small hail will be the main concern. Moosonee, you may end up seeing some large hail. And I want to show you this. Temperatures are going to look drastically different comparative to this. The start of summer, we did see those below seasonal temperatures across the prairies. Eastern Canada, you were the ones that ended up seeing those warmer conditions. But when we take a look at this for this afternoon, things are heating up. Alberta into British Columbia, you're looking at that ridge pushing on through down towards Kelowna, 35 as your high today. And we're going to continue to see all of it spill across the prairies in the middle of the week.